Let them see Sashiana and I come. I don't know what happened to Sashiana. She's crying. She don't know Auntie Donna coming. You remember me? Can I sit beside you? Okay, this is Sashiana. While I was doing, what you crying? What you crying? You don't sell anything for morning?
No, not. In the evening, come on, like 1:30.
You don't sell nothing.
No, not yet, because people are gonna go buy.
But you hope to sell something. Okay, guys. So this is Sashiana. I don't know. I just come here, I just pass her. As I was coming to bless her and I see, this is where you sell?
Yes, I'm going on from Charlotte to school.
Okay, this is Sashiana. She has a disability, as you guys can see. And while I was giving out some tablets, she asked Auntie Donna if she could assist her with her scarf. You do have a scarf? Oh. So what she's basically saying, she put the stocks on this, and she rested on the ground under the other part. Yeah, so why you crying? It must be something that let you cry.
No, one of my friends, she's a teacher.
Oh, she's sick. Oh, she said. Oh, she said one of her friends is in the hospital, and she's a music teacher. We come and see her crying. Okay, so as you guys can see, Miss Claudia, could you come up a bit more? As you guys can see on her stall right here is only socks. Let us see what you're selling over here. So you sell panties and masks, yes. So we're going to purchase 2 of the masks because I leave mine in the car. I know we're supposed to be social distancing, right? And you have, wow. So you bought all these, the mommy helped you to buy them? Okay. And you have panties and socks. Wow. Some nice panties too, you know. How much you sell these for? 150. You can make money off it. How much if you sell them for at least $200, man, or $250. A panty, you know, sell them for $200 a year. Put on the phone now, we're on the video. So, Sashiana is right here. Sashiana, yes. Is right here with Auntie Donna, and she asked me to assist her with her stall. She needs a stall. So, what kind of stall would you want? You would want one that you can put on, or one that you can move around with? See? Oh, okay. So, so you want to carry like so would you want it to be right here?
Yeah.
You want the stall to be here, or you want it because if you're getting a stall, you know, could arrange for you to get a stall, or arrange for you to build a stall. You will deal with that? Oh, you can ask your father. Were you born like this?
Yeah.
Oh, you were born like this? Okay, you was in
But
Lagos.
me I got try go down there. My cousin said me go try go down there ask the maid. Actually, how me with boss to look for the file.
How to see if you want to have a closure to how you're born.
Yeah.
Okay guys, and you can see that she has a disability, but that does not stop her from trying. And this is the reason why I'm changing up the program in this coming season. I'm looking and I'm trying to help persons like, what is her name? Tashiana, who has a disability and does not stay home and look for handouts. She's out here on the roadside. And when I see Tashiana doing this, I remember days gone by. I never used to sell socks, but I used to sell panties, wipes, brassiere, walk up and down in town. And this is what I'm trying to gear the program to persons like Tashiana who needs help, who really genuinely want to help themselves. So Tashiana, the last time when I came, I was doing the video, right? And what did you ask me for? Did you ask me for a tablet?
Yeah.
Oh, Tashiana asked me for a tablet, and she asked me to help her stock up a stall. And I promised, I remember I took one of it. How much for this? Oh, $50, then cheap, man. Alright, I'm going to pay you $100. So she had asked me and I allocate some donation for her. Tina, come. Just, your mother? I'm going to, I don't want the video. So I have allocated some cash for you, Tashiana, for you to start this call. And this the disabled girl, I didn't remember your name, so I don't want you to feel like Auntie Donna called the disabled girl. $50 US from the Blessed Cat Lady towards your star. So this is $50 US from the Blessed Cat Lady, alright? Secondly, this one said, girl up by top range, $45 US plus 2,000 Jamaican dollars. I don't know, I don't remember who gave this. Oh, I remember. This is 2,000. This was a group of lady who came and visited me one night and bought slippers, a whole family, and they gave me something to plant a seed, and they said I can plant it into anybody's life that I wanted to. And this is $45 US from them and $2,000. So the ladies that came when I was on my live on the Marigo video, when I was on the Marigo page and did the live, this is the $45 US, won't it? That you guys gave me, and the 2,000 Jamaican dollars, and you guys asked me to plant a seed. And I'm planting it in Tatiana's life, right, Tatiana? Tashiana. Alright, so next donation for Tashiana, for the disabled girl from Top Range, from Rosie in Brooklyn, $6,000. So Rosie in Brooklyn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6,000. Alright? That is $6,000 from Rosie in Brooklyn. So these are all out already. This one said for the disabled young girl from Lorna Legacy. She wants to be known as Lorna Legacy, and it's 5,500. This is a 5,000 and this is a 500. I know you can't hold the money. Alright, from Lorna Legacy. And this one for Sashiana from Tom Braid, Miss Chin, she came by and she leave 3,000 Jamaican dollars for you. 3,000 Jamaican dollars. So Sashiana, I want you to tell all the donors that bless you. You don't have to call your name in. Or can I get the tablet that I have?
Thanks everybody who support.
Go for the tablet, please. The Claudia have in the car. Go for the tablet in the car, Tina. You bring it. You never bring it. Oh, sorry. You never take up the tablet.
Take it up, but it left on the second.
Oh, she could never remember to put it. I promise you the tablet here. I thought it was in the car. So I want you to tell everybody and Father God what you want to tell them.
Thanks everybody.
Speak up a little loud. We are on the road.
And thanks everybody for
The
donation and every support and stuff.
Yes, take it on. Remember, Father God will make it possible.
Father God make possible.
Yes. Thank you, Jesus. And so thank you guys for making it possible for Tashiana. So where's your mommy?
That's my brother.
Alright, call her brother for me. I don't want to leave her. She said her brother right there at the shop.
No.
Where? Oh, you go call him?
Yeah,
Oh, in the phone. I want him to come and take this. You can keep the money until your mother come?
Yeah.
Alright, she calling her brother. So I say the panty though, we can buy some for somebody from here. Wait. So I'm going to give you $200 for one. And then you look a bit for me, then you can't fit me. Mama, I'm never afraid in a little for it.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Come here then.
2. Tell him that there's a video going on.
Come here real quick then. Man, get something for them.
3.
I'm down at the front road at the drug center.
So you have all the colors that you have in this. I take here. So 1. Show me the panty seller. 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 color. You support you so you can go buy and stop selling them for $150. Panty gonna sell for $150 again. That are the days, eh? It no matter. In the days when I sell panty at $150. $200 you fit topper. You have to buy some of them and give them away. To somebody, bless somebody with them. So 2. afraid in a liquor foreign. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Tina hold on it for. That's $1,600, right? Yeah. Alright, so thank you guys for blessing Tatiana and this area. So you can leave. Aye. You can leave the change. And God bless you. So I will when tell your mommy that she must get the shop for you. The stall bill and stock it up so that money cannot be in the stall, but it can buy the things that they need. But let your mommy and your daddy work it out here, and I'll come back and check up on it to see the progress. Alright?